Sir, this bill violates the right to democratic self-government, which is part of Article 1419. And if a legislative assembly is dissolved, sir, and midterm elections are conducted, the tenure of that assembly will not be for 5 years, sir. This in itself is a violation of parliamentary democracy, which envisages a tenured legislature. Sir, constitutional scheme makes it clear that once elections are conducted, the House should have a right to function for next 5 years. This is a violation of basic structure. That such a provision is being done for administrative convenience, not for constitutional purpose. Sir, the principle of federalism means that states are not mere appendages of the centre. States are not dependent on the union for their existence. This is the violation of federalism, sir. Sir, in conclusion, Parliament is not competent to make any law that violates fundamental rights or the basis of the Constitution, sir. This bill indirectly introduced a presidential style of democracy. This bill is based on maximizing political gain and convenience. This bill will finish off regional parties. This bill is only brought in to massage the ego of the supreme leader. Thank you, sir. I oppose this bill.